This is the Kongskilde series of multi-air high-pressure blowers. The multi-air is the heart and power source of high-performing pneumatic conveying systems installed by Kongskilde Industries all over the world. They are especially designed for the paper, packaging and plastic industries.
At Kongskilde Industries, we always strive to utilize the power of air in the paper and plastic industries worldwide.
With an installed base of 5,000 units worldwide, the multi-air is the preferred choice all over the world due to its many clever features. The vast majority of our customers are repeat customers. Whether your business deals in plastics, flexible packaging, paper, carton, or film production, we have an air conveying solution designed to optimize your production flow. The Kongskilde Multi-Air is an excellent choice for conveying raw material, process waste, and finished goods. And with this range of blowers, we can deliver any size project. The Multi-Air is engineered with fantastic performance characteristics. This unique blower is energy efficient and makes little noise for an improved working environment. All blowers are manufactured by skilled employees at our factory in Denmark. The low noise level and the fact that the multi-air is weatherproof permits for a flexible positioning of the blower, either inside the production area or outside the facility. The flexibility of the pipe system allows you to place the blower anywhere at your facilities. The installation of a pneumatic conveying system will keep your floor space tidy and will also save manpower. Whenever energy consumption and precise speed is key, the FC series with built-in frequency converter is the right choice. The multi-air FCs run at the precise speed required according to the production process at any given time, whereas a standard blower is configured to run at maximum capacity, including a top capacity buffer. The acquisition price of a multi-air FC might be higher, but the additional cost will quickly earn itself in cost savings due to the considerably lower energy consumption. This allows you to save money in the long run. You can compare it to driving a car. A standard blower will accelerate to maximum speed and then regulate by stepping on the brake and gas pedal at the same time. In contrast, the multi-air regulates the speed by stepping and releasing the gas pedal. Moreover, a frequency converter extends motor life. A motor without variable frequency can take up to as much as 7 to 8 times the current to start, whereby heat is generated. Over time, this will reduce its longevity. With a multi-air FC blower, acceleration and stopping is controlled, which will reduce mechanical wear and tear.
For any pneumatic conveying system, the blower is the heart in the system.
The largest and latest addition to the blower family is the high-capacity Multi-Air 4000.
This version is bigger than the existing blowers and supports larger capacities in our customers' production.
This high-performance blower moves air with and without material through the blower. It is the perfect fit when trim has to be removed in large volumes at high speeds. The stable multi-air blowers require a minimum of maintenance due to few moving parts. Moreover, all electrical components are provided as standard by a world-renowned global supplier. This makes it fast and easy to replace parts if required.
Since 1949, Kongskilde Industries has developed and produced blowers for pneumatic conveying systems. Our aim is to optimize our customers' production flow and increase the capacities required by future production systems in the paper and the plastic industry.
We invite you to go to our website to discover the power of air.